Hey guys, in this video, we're going to see how to import JetEngine Repeater Fields using a CSV file. Step by step. If you're working with dynamic data like employee records, product variations, or any kind of grouped data, this method is super useful. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress. Go to JetEngine Post Types. Click on Add New. Now give your post type a name otherwise, for example, Employee Reports, and set a slug like Employee Reports. Simple. Now scroll down to Meta Fields. Click on New Meta Field. Set, label, Employee Details, Name ID, Employee_Details, Field Type, Repeater. Now inside this repeater, we need to add subfields. Click on New Repeater Field and add name, text, email, text, phone, text, age, number, salary, number, department, text, city, text, skills, text. Make sure everything is inside the repeater. Once done, click Update Post Type. Now let's prepare the CSV file. Important rule. For repeater fields, we use the pipe symbol vertical bar. First, we have the post_title column. This is simply the title of your post, like HR Employee Report 1. Next is post_content. This is where you add the description of the report. Now comes the important part, repeater fields. Let's start with repeater_name. Here we add multiple names using the pipe symbol. Each value represents one employee record. Next is repeater_email, same format, same order. Then repeater_phone, again mapped in sequence. Followed by age and salary in the same structure. Department, city, and skills also follow this pattern. All values must align, one row per employee. Now go to your CSV Importer plugin, like WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro or WP All Import. Upload your CSV file. Select Fresh Import and choose your post type. Employee Reports. Then click Continue. Now comes the important part, mapping. For basic fields, map post_title, title map post_content, content. Now for repeater fields, select your repeater field, employee_details. Then map, name, repeater_name. Email, repeater_email. Phone, repeater_phone. Age, repeater_age. Salary, repeater_salary. Department, repeater_department. City, repeater_city. Skills, repeater_skills. Click Continue. Now click Import or Run Import. Wait for it to complete. Go to your post type, Employee Reports. Open any post. You should now see multiple employee entries inside the repeater field. If everything looks good, congratulations. So that's how you can import JetEngine Repeater Fields using a CSV file. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.